Okay, Kdenlive. I'm gonna update this. Add a title. Yeah, it's gonna be more title stuff. I did this earlier, and I was having trouble with my OBS with static. And this is just a quick update to see if I have noise. Now, I didn't go through this before, but over here is the select tool. You can add another text in here. Add an image. You could put a PNG. I'll show you how to do that in a bit. Open a document, save as, and download new title templates. I don't really do that. I can, if I'm making like a logo intro thing with titles, I'll just save it. Then I'll just put it on top of another video. I mean, you can do it a million ways. So that's what these are over here. What else we got over here? Here's your font, solid color. We went to the gradient thing, solid color. We got bold, underline. I don't like underline. Italicized. Okay, we got it italicized. That's cool. Outline. Don't want to do it too much, depending on your font. It can really overdrive it, it seems like. The shadow I like. I make mine 10. And I gotta look at my OBS real quick here. Doing microphone, yeah, we're. Sorry about that. And okay, so I take this, moving around. Okay, I told you some stuff the other day about camera angle for animation, 50% for the start, and this basically pretend this is the camera, and it's looking up here and goes down. Cool. We showed that on our other video. And if I put it over here, starts, it's looking here, it'll start and look to the right and go to the left. Put it over here, looking to the left, and it'll travel in and stop wherever this end point is. Whatever the end is what it looks like exactly. So that's what we did. It was pretty self-explanatory. But I thought I would show you something that I thought was kind of cool. I'm going to put this guy up here. Okay, so the camera is looking down here. I noticed that when you're making a title, and I'd like to go back to properties and move it, a lot of times it doesn't want to do that. I mean, I can't grab it. There's no color or nothing. So what I got to do is I got to say create a title, which under the new Kdenlive 20.0 8.1 for Linux Mint, what I'm using for my OS. Some of these little things have changed. It said before you say okay, now it says create a title. We're getting fancy. Okay, so here's our. I'm gonna go edit that clip again. So the camera is, if you think of it this way, it makes it easy. Camera's sitting up here, and it's on the animation. It's looking. Wow, this thing is weird. Okay, I want this. to go up here. I want the in be 100% right here. Okay, let's do this all over. So, camera's in the upper left corner, looking down to the right corner. Title will move from the right corner up to the left. Update title. And we'll prove that. There it goes. So another little thing that I thought, I wanted to have two titles. Okay, and this is going to be called title number 2. And I explained all this stuff here, and I want the shadow. There's a 10. And this time, where it's going to end up is here. See, now the other one goes from this corner and ends up here. You gotta, unless you make them the same size and you want to put them up the same, but that's kind of hokey. So let's do this. Start 50%. We're going to put it up here. End is there. Create a title. Okay. So let's say I put this on number 2 and I got my video down here, which I don't have video, but let me go grab it. Makes it a little more interesting. I'm hoping I'm not getting static from OBS. And let's see. Project, background. Let's move this over here. I'll put this guy in there. This little video on video 1. And we have our first title. We're going to do project monitor. We're going to take a look at this. Should come. Oh, I did number 2. Jump the gun. Put it up there. Put it over here. Number 1. Which is more title stuff. Here we go. Comes from the right, goes up to the left. Cool. So now, I'm going to drag this guy over here. Go back here. So, we superimpose another title over another. Okay, that's good. That one's going up. Hey, pretty cool. Now, if I wanted that one to stay there as long as that, I would just drag its time out. So we'll do a control home. Start it over. Our first title. Our second title. There we have it. Pretty nice. Now, there's another thing I've tried doing. Click in this box. Favorites that I like to use. I'm going to do a fade out on that one. I'm going to go to this one, do a fade out. Now, control home. And this is going to turn out pretty slick. More title stuff. Number 2. And now we're going to slowly fade out each title. Okay. Very cool. Now, yeah, we'll just leave those. I'm going to create a third. And what I'm going to do, and you notice the default is title. I don't really want another title, even though we're making a title clip. I'm going to drop a picture in. These are all PNGs. Let's do the street guy. See what. Okay. I used that in another video for a car running me over. Worked pretty cool. And I had to go back and add the shadow in because I cut it out when I first did it. So let's just put this guy over here. He's just going to stand here and look at this. Create a title. Now, I can add, or I can just put it next to it. Okay. Won't let me put it over that guy. He's getting wet. Okay, if I added another line on this, which I could do, I can go up here. And we'll go back here. But I just added a little PNG. If I add another line, I can actually have it above all these. And I can prove that. We'll just take this. And I'm going to put this guy here. And imagine there were two titles below me. Only one. I have to add another line to my. Whoops. Whoops. Don't want that. And this guy here, I want to edit that. This guy. Edit. And I found another thing. I click on this guy. These little numbers are the height and width. Change to third. And this aspect, preserve aspect ratio, no matter which one I change. $600. I'm going to put them up here so that my show you that the title clip on top has control of it. Okay, control home. Each scene. Control home. Yeah, I don't come up there. I like them kind of down on the beach. That was my Alexis trying to mess with it. Okay, let's do this 2000. Update title. Okay. Let's play this. Control home. You notice the little PNG, the actual title goes behind it. whatever's on top. Now, what I could do just to prove that, I'll put this aside here and put the PNG on the bottom. We'll do a control home. This time the text should go in front of it, and it does like some magic crap. Well, that's just a quick update on a few little animation trips. Oh, so we did 2 titles over each other. That's cool. Another thing I was going to show you. Edit. I'll move each a little. And let's go here and edit. I lost number 2. Don't want this one. Edit. Okay, I'm going to stick this guy in the middle. And actually just this so I don't run into the head of the other. We'll go to animation. Let's start. Up here. Let's put them in the middle. Actually, what I'm going to do, make it not as big as. So we're going to see something a little different now. And the end right there. Check this out. Home. It's going to shrink down. Here we go. Here we go. Okay, nice. Now, I can take here. So just throwing another curve to you. The PNG thing is pretty cool. And I showed you the fade out within the title box, which is nice. Back here. Go back here. Say it. And you can see where it will fade out. I like that. Pretty cool. And then I could also go to this one with PNG and do a fade out. Try that. And it's a little softer. Nice. Okay, we're all done. Mainly, I'm hoping the audio turned out good. So talk to you later. Bye. Okay, this is an update on my audio noise, background noise stuff. I just ran it through Kdenlive and it fixed it. So if you go to OBS, the filters, I now have 2 filters, noise suppression and noise gate. Noise gate really cleaned it up. And if you do a right click in the box, it says add. These are all the things you can add to the OBS audio. And if you have noise in the background of your OBS, add those 2, it will fix it. Okay, see you later.